Hello everyone. Today I am going to unbox this watercolor set, which is a pocket watercolor set from Winsor and Newton. It's a very pocket size. You can see it fits in my palm and it will fit in the pocket or any small backpack. So I just bought it from Amazon. Let's see. It has 13 colors. I think it's a 13-piece set with 12 colors and one watercolor brush. So let me open this. I find it very cute because I travel a lot, so I thought I can paint something while I'm on a go. You see, that's a very nice plastic plain. This is how it looks from the back side. Okay, there you go. So here you see all the 12 colors, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 6 12, and then there is a brush, and here you have 6 different areas where you can mix colors. So you don't need much. If you are traveling and you have all these colors, you can pick it out and just start painting. So let me see how to open. Just pull it and then fill it with water and turn it around and you are ready. So even it fits like this, so you don't have to do this. You just have to do this once, and then you can fill it with water, put it inside, and it can fit in here with the full length here. First I have to take these out, so let me first just take the covers out. They are all packed with this plastic wrap. And they are in a small plastic holder which keeps it in the place, and these can be replaced. I guess you can buy these colors separately. So it's nice, cute, small holder which goes inside that, so you can just remove the plastic and put it in the place. So I'm going to fast forward this unwrapping. Don't want to bore you guys. So this is ready, and you see, if I close it, you might hear the sound and it's shaky. Let me see if I turn it around, does it come out? No, it doesn't. Let me see, open and see how it's, yeah, it all the things are in place. See, something came out but didn't fell off, so I'm good there. Okay, and then close this. Just press it little so that the water comes here. I see the water, and then you can start painting. Okay, so let me try to draw something and test it. Got this watercolor paper. I'll draw something. So I have this pen watercolor. Just press it. There's a water already there, I can see. So I will take this and start drawing something. So let me pick some black color. It's easy, nice and easy. Okay, can you guys guess what I'm trying to draw? Okay, so I am just keep watching. I don't want to reveal it right now, but yeah. So okay, let me tell you what it is. I don't want you guys to get bored, so I am drawing a lighthouse. Saying White House. Okay. uh, so far the brush is good. uh, and this can just take it a little bit taller, make it, and okay, and then yeah, so far I feel good. The brush quality is it's easy to hold, and it's kind of short, you might feel it, but it's not. The hair is, the width is a bit more, and I feel sturdy when I hold it. Doesn't come out or like feel anything weird about it. Okay, let me draw a small house here on the side of this. So when I draw watercolor, I try to keep the things a little light, don't darken too much. Okay, you can carry some sponge with you or cotton just to clean the tip. That would be nice. I am using a cotton here, so that way if you jump from one color to another, it won't mess it up. So it's handy to keep some cotton or a sponge in the box itself. Use a red color and just red. Make some grasses here like this. Pick a little yellow mix. Don't want to make it too dark. So the soil underneath the grass. Yep, looks good. Mix well. So a lighthouse on the side of an ocean. Let me mix it pretty well so that it does look natural. The nice thing about this tip is the water automatically comes out. I don't even need to press a lot. It's just I'm drawing naturally, and then the water is coming out in a way, in an appropriate amount, not too much, not too less. See, I'm not even doing anything. I'm just moving the brush and the water is coming. Yeah, it's kind of tough to draw a very sharp thing, but yep. And then I will sign it. So there is the complete painting. It's okay, it's not a very fancy good painting, but this is what I painted in just quick 5-10 minutes. And so far I think what I feel about this kit is it's pretty good. So you saw that I unboxed it and then used it to paint this small lighthouse, and I feel that it's good enough to carry with you wherever you go so that you can paint. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you had a good time. Thanks again.